What is IP? Not this, but this. What is intellectual property? IP is crucial for all entrepreneurs as it protects the unique creations and innovations that drive a business forward. Unlike other business documents like your business license, your permits, or your tax filings, your IP focuses on the protection of creative assets, which are often a company's most valuable resources. For example, a business license allows you to legally operate, but IP ensures your innovative products, your brand, and your ideas are protected from being copied or misused by others. While IP is valuable, IP rights offer legal protection over your business creativity, ensuring that you have the exclusive rights to profit from your innovations. It is also a major business asset that can increase the overall value of your business, and it can also attract investors and give you a competitive edge in the market. This is why safeguarding your IP from the start is important as setting up any other aspect of your business. Let's talk about the different types of intellectual property. Number one, patents. Patents is basically the protection of new inventions or processes like the creation of a new drug. For example, a pharmaceutical company can patent a new medication for 20 years, preventing competitors from producing or selling the drug without their permission. Number two, trademarks. They secure your brand identities like your logos, your slogans, or your brand names. For example, you see the Nike swoosh, that phrase, just do it. They are trademarks. They are ensuring that no other company can use them to mislead consumers. Number three will be copyrights. It helps you to protect your creative works, such as your books, your music, your software, those kind of things. So copyright is very important. For example, you're an artist coming up and you're doing your music and you don't want another person to take your music or for somebody to go play your music without your knowledge, no permission, and you cannot make money off it. So you have to make sure that your songs or your books or your software that you have is having a copyright claim or is protected by the IP copyright claim. So it's important for you to know that copyright protects you from outside people who are trying to steal your idea or steal your content or steal what you're doing. So it's important to have IP. Number four will be trade secrets. These safeguard confidential business information. For example, like the Coca-Cola secret formula, because it have a value that lies within keeping the information private to maintain a competitive advantage. So what does that mean is that it simply means, for example, some company have a secret recipe or they have a thing that they are using to create their products or service that they don't want any other person to know about it. So they have to protect that trade secrets, making sure that no other competitors can have it, so no other person can be able to steal their value. Because what makes Coca-Cola so valuable is the secret that they have in producing the Coca-Cola. And the same thing goes to other companies, for example, Oreos and other companies who, are into product making. How can you register your IP? Well, for entrepreneurs in Liberia, you can register your intellectual property through the Liberia Intellectual Property Office, LIPO. They handle applications for patents, trademarks, and copyrights. Any registration is key to protecting your business against the infringement and legal dispute. So, if you want to register your IP for your business, you can contact LIPO, the Liberia Intellectual Property Office. They're gonna handle that for you. So that's how you can be able to register for your IP in Liberia. For regional and global IP registration, simply meaning that if you want to extend your IP protection beyond Liberia, you can reach out to ARIPO, which is the African Regional Intellectual Property Organizations that allow you to protect your IP across 21 African member states, offering you a streamlined regional protection. Also, there's OAPI, which is the Organisation Africaine de la Protection Intellectuelle, which serve French-speaking African countries by providing a similar regional benefits. So these two platforms, they help you to get advantage also protect yourself and your business in African members country. So that's how you protect yourself within Africa. So just in case you want to move beyond Liberia, or you want to move beyond your other African country and you want to expand to other countries and have a more higher advantage by protecting yourself, that's how you do. You simply have to reach out to these companies. They're going to help you. They're going to provide application, and you can find it on all social platforms. Global protection, you have to reach out to the World Intellectual Property Organization, which is the WIPO. They will help you facilitate your international IP registration through Patent Cooperation Treaty, which is the PCT, and the Madrid system for trademarks that will help you to safeguard your IP in multiple countries with one application. So, all this information that I gave you, by understanding and registering your IP, it will help you to ensure that your ideas, your inventions, and your brand are legally protected, giving you the freedom to focus on scaling your business beyond your country, beyond Africa, and to the rest of the world. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something new. And above all, I hope that you go and register your company for IP. I want to say special thanks to WIPO for giving me the opportunity to learn a lot about IP, which I never had any idea about. So I want to say special thank you to WIPO, RTC, and the rest of the organization that invited me to Ivory Coast to learn about IP. And so far, I've started my IP process, and currently I'm working on trying to get my company registered for all the necessary trademarks and protection. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Love.